Welcome back, or welcome. I noticed anything different here.
She came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
She gets the carpet. Jordy got some carpet in E36. She ain't bare no more. She ain't moldy. How do you feel, Jordy?
I'm out of breath, defeated, carpet suck. What else can I say? I didn't want to put one back in, but I need one.
And here we are.
Yep.
Don't fret, this isn't the only thing we're doing in this video.
So this is a sedan carpet and not a coupe. All E36 models are different, but I believe 318 Ti's and coupe carpets are the same because they're like the same size, or somebody told me. This one is for a sedan, so it doesn't fit proper, but I only want the front half, so I'm going to cut it after where the seat mounts in the back, and we're good.
Makes sense. Get the cutting. Wow.
It's getting there.
Looks nice. Clean. So fresh and so clean.
1 hour later.
Nice. See you guys tomorrow. Uh-oh. Jordy got some more toys.
Oh my, don't show.
Uh-oh, it's a secret. Let's make it a dance party in here.
Count me out.
Ta-da! Jordy wants to be matchy-matchy with me. If you don't know what this is, it's a harness bar for E36. Jordy wants to paint it, make it look nice, throw it in.
All things Kylie gets to do because she's such a perfect painter, body tech. We got the bar, and then we got the things that come off the bar. I don't know the technical term, don't really care.
I thought you were about to beat me in the head with that.
I know where they go.
What other fun stuff did you get?
A really combat eye, but it was really cheap, so I don't care. I'm gonna scuff and just spray it black.
First order of business, Jordy wants to cut off these pesky seatbelt holders.
They just look ugly.
Whatever. See y'all later.
See you later.
Keep forgetting this thing moves. Might as well kill two birds with one stone.
Scuff and spray this thing black too. Might as well.
While Jordy's doing that, I've actually been working on some little something for you guys. Sneak peek. I did all this myself. Pretty proud of myself. Got all my links for my discounts over here. If you didn't know, I have discount codes for all these.
Boom, good to go. Taped up, scuffed up, cleaned up.
Look at you.
Trim black.
You want a job?
Not a Cerritos.
Jordy broke out the stands for this one. No more cardboard boxes?
I mean business.
Standing on it. Those are some sick ass shoes.
No, don't show them. Don't show them. Keep them tight. Keep the prices low.
My ankles cracked when I went down.
No, don't.
Got Jordy on the spray gun, aka can. Yeah.
Wait, do you want to do it like Anthony?
Now we wait. It's like watching paint dry, huh? While we wait for that, we got my taillights to look at. The problem at hand, the guy who's gonna fix it.
He's got that. He's
got
smart.
that.
He's got things. And he's got the dogs. Think of it as good luck, too. That's Bailey.
Gotta get door parts for this pig soon.
Had to run out real quick to get Burger King. Strapped? Strapped. How's it going, Jord?
It's going.
Pretty official.
Yeah, not as official as you.
Inside, outside. So even if we start here, that resistor goes over to here, but that one tests good. Power's there. That one tests good. Tests good. Tests good. Tests good. Tests good.
So most likely a loose connector.
Honestly, I want to say yes, because that would resolve itself when you would with the connector, correct?
Yeah.
So it could just be that it was dropping power. Like it's already dropping the power from 12 volts because of all the resistors, because the LEDs can't take that much.
Okay.
So if it dropped from like 12 down to like, 10 or so volts, perhaps it just wouldn't light this section of the board up. It does look like it's kind of the first in line to get power in theory. So I'm not entirely sure. But we can try to fix the connector and see if that resolves itself. But again, that one tests good. All of these test good all the way down the side of the board here. I can't get to the, there it is.
So it turns out it was a loose connection. So these are fine. but the reverse light is not. I gotta source new LEDs. I know where to source them from. It's just the shipping's gonna take a little bit. Let's see how Jordy's doing. Jordy, how's it going?
Terrible.
Doesn't look bad.
Oh, it doesn't look bad. It's just a pain in the ass to get lined up.
Real race car vibes. Time to taper up for the time being. Nice. You're still doing this?
Yeah, this is more of a hassle than I thought it was gonna be. Anyone that always says, oh yeah, fit in a harness, blah, 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 it'll be quick, hour and a half. No, everyone knows it turns into a full day excursion. Boom, it's in! Boom, 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 boom.
Good night. Not actually good night just yet. We have a package to open. We got a package from our good friend Damien at SmileXDeath. Check them out. They're actually hosting an event at Lake Erie come October. You don't want to miss out. There's notes.
Notes? Did I get a note?
I don't know, but I love notes. Let's read the notes first. It says, thank you for being so cool and willing to represent and help me grow. This is a huge dream of mine, and it's so kick-ass to meet rad people along the way. Love you. Love you, Damien. Like I said, check them out. All their affiliates. Pause to read. Nice. Boom.
Scan it.
Scan it right now.
Boop. Ooh, I'm taking one of these. I like this.
Boop. Cover the up courtesy of SmileXDeath.
Cover your up courtesy of.
Oh, cover your up. I thought, sorry, I haven't done. These are really nice, Damien.
Damien don't sleep, that's why.
No, these are sweet. Oh my god, we can matchy. Jordy likes blue, that's why I said that, guys. These are nice. I love these.
Classic Hiroshi, can't go wrong. Rip it open.
Boom! Ooh, nice.
Kind of with the tag, not gonna
I love
lie.
the tag at the bottom. I'm a huge fan when shirts have these tags at the bottom, regardless of the size. I don't know why, but it makes it feel like more official, if that makes sense. Material's nice too. Anyways, check them out. Thank you again, Damien. Love you, if I've ever. See you soon. Now back to what we were doing. No combat eye today?
Combat eye this week. Too late, and I'm defeated for the day.
You got the tech inspector here. She said this seat is up to standards. After Tech Bailey checked it out, let's hear Jordy.
I'm done. I'm finished.
Handbrake is crazy. You take the guy out of BMX, but you can't take the BMX out of the guy, huh?
It's not crazy. I'm too poor to afford a Hydra, so I'm making what I have work.
Jordy still BMXs, by the way. Hop in the seat.
No.
Hop in the seat, race car driver. Put the harnesses on. Wow, you got G-Force harnesses too to match your helmet?
Well, they were free.
That's cute. Jason and Lars are going to be back next weekend, so I'm going to spend time cleaning these bitches up so they're nice and clean for when Jason actually fixes the LED in them. And hopefully my package arrives, because I'm going to place an order right now. That's next video.
Jordy said he's going to replace the connectors as well.
Did he? That's sweet.
Yeah.
Thanks, Jordy.
Combat eye time, bitch.
What you doing here?
I somehow got dragged into my roof. I got talked into building another Civic. Another on-motor car at that.
Nice.
And a good one, E.G. Hatch.
My rates tripled for this one.
I see you already cut some up.
Yeah, she's a bit of a torta. Yeah, I gotta go on a diet.
This is actually going to be next week's video because Spoon asked for my help prepping.
Yeah.
We'll get more on this. Back to Jordy.
Are you drinking another one?
Yeah.
It is 6 o'clock, then you wonder why you don't sleep.
Yeah. Combat eye time.
You already said that.
Well, I said bitches before. So
Itchy?
a little bit, took a tumble.
Have a nice fall. Jordy was taking a little too long, so I went ahead and took these bolts out for him. My trusty dusty 8. How's it going?
Oh.
Corner light out. When you put me in the spotlight. Looks hot. Yeah. Boom! I told Jordy to just sit tight instead of trying to find bolts. He's actually going through. I can't believe I talked you into this.
I was gonna put one screw behind the headlight. Got one eye.
They took my eye.
Looking snazzy. How do you like it?
It's cool.
I love when people don't need parts for their cars because that means I get parts for my car. Say hello to the new coolant overflow. I gotta retire the Malibu if I want to get on track, unfortunately. But don't fear, I plan on painting this little bad boy. Anyways, that concludes our video for this week. Next week, hopefully we'll have these fixed up. The LEDs are on their way. And like I said, I gotta help Spoon out with the Honda over there. So see you guys next time. Please like, comment, subscribe. And Jordy, go! Obviously, you guys saw me working on a little website, and boom!
Boom!
Boom! I now have merch! My first ever shirt. Pre-order live tomorrow, 12 p.m. Eastern time. Mark it in your calendars. All we have right now is shirts. As you guys know, I work a typical 9-to-5 bodywork job. I don't make much from this YouTube, so if you'd like to support the channel, buy a shirt. So since this is my first drop, I want to make it special for you guys. Everyone who buys a shirt gets an automatic entry in the will giveaway. The pre-order will last about 3 weeks. Stay up to date by signing up for our newsletter on the website, on our YouTube channel, or on my Instagram. Make sure those notifications are on because we're gonna announce the winner on my Instagram live. This wouldn't be possible without you guys, of course, and without our good friend Trevor at Your Cartel. Thank you again.
Peace out.